Assalamu alaikum, guys. Today I will tell you about how to install OPTI Toolbox in MATLAB. I have searched on it a lot, but after having number of ways, I reached my solution. So first, from this link, you will download the OPTI Toolbox. You will go to the downloads, OPTI, and from here you will download the zip file. After downloading, you will keep that file in a proper drive, not on desktop or any other C drive format. Okay, so I have kept it on my folder OptiMaster. Here I have downloaded it, plus I have downloaded OptiMax files for the installation of OptiMaster. So OptiMaster, OptiMax files. Okay, so I will show you the link of OptiMaster too. It's not appearing here. Anyways, these are the max files and this is the OptiMaster, and you have open the zip file here. You will see that there is a m file opti install. So be sure that the I have downloaded the latest version, so and I have MATLAB R 2016A, so it can work on this. So you have to check that whatever the version of OptiMaster you are downloading is compatible with your MATLAB or not. So first I will set the path for this. You see, I am showing my command window, and when I first run it, it gave me error. It says that it is not a directory for where I have placed it. So make sure that OptiMaster and OptiMaster zip file and max files are kept along. So what I did is that I went into the home section, set path. I select this OptiMaster folder, and then I saved it simply. So now these were the errors when I first ran it, because it was not a directory, so it gave me an error. Now after resolving this, it would take me to, would you like to download the max files automatically, these max files which I have placed here, these ones. So I said no, and it then asked me to browse for that max files, and I pointed these max files from here. So after that it ran up and it automatically checked up. Now it is asking me here, would you like to save the path changes? Yes. Would you like to run the post installation test? Yes. All tests are almost okay. And lastly it says that OPTI Toolbox installation is complete, and OPTI available solvers used for the optimization are this, and their version is also given. And that's all. If you have any question, please comment below, and I will help you out in the OPTI Toolbox installation in MATLAB. Thank you.